Delete all images in Excel with one click. Still deleting images one by one. That's too slow. In this video, I'll show you 3 quick ways to delete images in bulk in Excel. Method 1. Use shortcut keys. First, click any picture in the worksheet to select it. Then press Ctrl and A to select all pictures and objects on the active sheet. Now press the Delete key. All selected items will be removed at once. Please note, this method selects all objects on the active sheet, including pictures, charts, shapes, and other objects. So use it carefully if your worksheet contains items you want to keep. Method 2. Use VBA code. If you only want to delete pictures from the active sheet, you can use a simple VBA macro. Press Alt and F11 to open the VBA editor. Click Insert. Then choose Module. Copy and paste this code into the module. Then run the macro. All pictures in the active sheet will be deleted quickly while other objects can be kept. Method 3. Use Kutools for Excel. If you want an easier and more flexible way, you can use Kutools for Excel. Go to the Kutools tab. Click Delete. Then choose Delete Illustrations and Objects. In the dialog box, select Pictures and make sure the other options are unchecked if you only want to delete images. You can also select any other object types you want to remove. Then choose the Delete scope. You can delete pictures from the active sheet, selected sheets, or all sheets. Finally, click OK. Now, only the pictures are deleted, while other objects can be kept. That's it. With these 3 methods, you can quickly delete images in Excel without removing them one by one. Kutools for Excel offers 300+ powerful tools and AI-powered features to reduce workload by 80% and boost efficiency by 300%. Like and follow for more office tips and tricks.